This is a video demonstrating my CiCd project pipeline. After making a branch, I make a small change to the code. So just like adding a comment. I then add the change, commit the change, demo pipeline, and push the change to my GitHub repository. Once the change has been pushed, GitHub Actions will start a job, which will build and then test the code. Once GitHub Actions has built the code and it builds correctly, as well as testing, it'll send the code to my Docker Hub account. It'll send the completed image to my Docker Hub account. So we can see here that it was last pushed an hour ago. While that builds, I'll show you my Docker Compose file. The Docker Compose file pulls the image that is my project, and it also pulls an image of Postgres. It makes sure that these two images run together and can communicate. So it's past the build and it's just running through the tests. When I run this Docker Compose file, it starts both images and has them communicate over a network that I've named DB. As I've done this before, I can just run the Docker Compose file and it'll pull down an older version of it. Oh, it's run the test. So if I run the Docker Compose file now, and I open up Docker Hub, it's now started both images. So my program is run and my database is run. I can then go to Postman and run a GET request, and as you can see, the database is empty. I can run a POST request which sends this user's information to the database. I can then run another GET request. We can see that the user's information is there. If I change the user's ID, I can add another user. The POST request, GET request. The way the code is set up, it's test-based, so if I try and add a user that is younger than 18, I'll get a bad request. And if I look at my Docker, I can see that the error is because the user was too young.